Hi everyone, welcome back to Oh She Can Cook. Today I'm sharing a recipe for the best Singapore chili prawn. There is a very special ingredient that we are going to use today, so make sure you don't miss that out. So first, prepare some prawns. Over here I'm using 6 large prawns. Now for the dry ingredient, prepare some ginger, 1 red Asian shallot, 2 garlic cloves and 3 red chili paddies. Chop all of them into fine pieces and put them aside. You can also chop the ginger, but here I'm grating it to make sure the aroma is better. Next up, just finely slice some green onions for garnishing. To prepare the sauce mixture, put in 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now here comes the secret ingredient, which is fermented green peas, or in Chinese we call it nam yu, and also half a tablespoon of fish sauce. Lastly, add in 1 cup of water and mix it thoroughly. Now we can start cooking. Stir fry all the dried ingredients until fragrant. Add in the sauce mixture into the dried ingredients. When the sauce mixture is bubbling, add the prawns into the sauce and mix them well. Cover it up to cook until orange or red. Cook the prawns for about 10 minutes, but make sure not to overcook it. Next up, prepare a cornstarch solution by adding a little bit of water to cornstarch powder. This will help to thicken up the sauce so that all the prawns will be well coated by it. Then you can also prepare 1 egg in a jar. Crack the egg and add it into your prawns. Garnish this dish with some green onions and serve it to your family. It tastes so good. It is sweet, salty and spicy all at once. I'm sure you will love it. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you!